I remember having a conversation with some of the executives from some of the managed care companies, the commercial insurers, and they got a group of physicians together to ask, how can we appeal better to doctors? How can we work better? And one of the responses I had is, why not have some educational forums, just like Copic does? I mean, I've been insured by 4 different insurance companies in my career, and 4 or 5 different insurance companies in my career, and have worked with medical students for and residents for almost my entire career. And no one, not one of the companies other than Copic, has had such an educational mission to get at doctors early in their training, teach them good habits, kind of help allay some of this malpractice fear and fury of liability, and let them know that there are right ways to do things, and there are ways to protect you and your patients and to be a better doctor. And by coming at it with a very proactive type of a message rather than a punitive message, I think it works. And I can't help but think that that has some effect on all of those students who then go into internship and residency and become practicing physicians down the road.